Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to keep it quick for you. A very simple trick. You might be working with some green screen documents, and I thought, hey, maybe you want to know how to remove the green screen. This is really for those people using Adobe Premiere. I'm using an older version, but I think it's still kind of the same when it comes to how you do it. So I'm going to bring in a green screen document. I'm going to use my subscribe button. Let's import that. And right now I'm working with just one of my video files. So there I am. And all I'm going to do for this video is just to show you how to move the green screen. So I bring the green screen file in, and let's try to locate it on a timeline here. So there it is. It's a ginormous file right now. And normally I bring it down, so I'll scale this down probably to 50. And now I'm going to just make sure this plays. So I'm just going to hit play. So, there are people here, like some will say, nice, we'll check it out, right? There's no guarantee that... So, enough of me talking. But, so the button works. So the next step is to go to effects and just do the shortcut and type in ultrakey. And you'll see it right here, right under keying. You then pull or drag the effect and drop it directly on your video file or wherever the green screen is. So now over here on your left, you're able to make the changes. You go to ultrakey, key color, and then you're gonna hit this eyedropper tool and put it right on the green screen, and it's gone. Just like that, you lose that green screen. And now I'm able to position this, wherever I want to. But the point was to just show you how to remove the green screen. So this is what it looks like now. So, there are people here. So it plays perfectly, no more green screen, and it's gone. It really couldn't get any easier than that. So again, this is for people using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me know what you use to edit your software and the techniques that you use in those softwares to remove the green screen. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment. And if you like what you see, again, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe. It goes a long way in pushing me to do more videos and motivating me to bring content that you want. And again, I cannot end without saying, thanks for watching.